Welcome to this Heart Chakra energy clearing meditation. My name is Joy Reynolds from Meditation for the Soul, a haven to experience less stress and more peace. I invite you to allow the eyes to close and bring your awareness to the breath. Notice the breath coming in and the breath going out. Just notice the breath without forcing it. Notice the gap in between each breath, the gap before you breathe in and the gap before you breathe out. Becoming relaxed and bringing your awareness to the head and relaxing the forehead, letting go of thoughts, relaxing the eyes, the face, the jaw, the neck, moving down to the shoulders, releasing any tension in the shoulders, taking the relaxation down through the arms, hands and fingers, relaxing the chest, releasing any tension in the chest and heart area. The upper and lower back now relaxing. The stomach releases tension or stress as it relaxes. Moving down through the lower part of the body, the thighs, the knees, the calves and the feet. Become aware of the earth below you. Imagine you're connected to this earth. Start by visualizing a beam of light from the top of your head that goes downwards through the whole body, and imagine the beam of light coming out through the soles of your feet. See the beam of light spreading out like roots of a tree, and visualize these roots as they go deeper and deeper into the earth. Feel yourself going deeper and deeper into relaxation. And throughout this meditation, you will continue to feel safe and secure as you know that you are grounded to the earth. Imagine yourself in a beautiful meadow with soft green grass and coloured flowers all around. You can hear the sounds of a river stream flowing effortlessly and peacefully. The sun is sneaking through the large trees near the river stream. This is your special meadow. You can feel, hear, and smell nature all around you. You are the only one here, no one to bother you, feeling grounded to the earth, nothing for you to do but relax. You make yourself comfortable somewhere in the meadow, maybe on the soft grass, or maybe there's a lovely lounge with fluffy cushions for you to lie in. Whatever is comfortable for you. You lay down where you feel comfortable and at peace, enjoying this wonderful, calm, serene place. As you're lying here, you start to become aware of the fourth energy center, known as the Heart Chakra, located in the center of the chest. This is related to the color green. It's related to your sense of touch and feelings of compassion and unconditional love. Visualize this as a rotating green sphere of energy, pulling positive energy from the universe into your body, releasing old blocked energies and any negative emotions, replacing it with only positive energy. Continue to visualize the color green, and as you do, focus on feelings of love and compassion towards all things. As the blockages are releasing, imagine a green lotus flower with 12 petals at the center of the chest, fully opening. As you bring yourself back into the room, becoming aware of the sounds and energy around you, knowing that you are always connected to this earth. Take in a deep breath, exhale, and open your eyes.